Hello, my name is Antonio Gonzalez. You can call me Mr. Gonzalez or Professor Gonzalez or Mr. G is fine as well. I will be your instructor over the course of this semester. All right, and just a little bit about myself. Right, I teach math at Chabot College. I've been teaching there full time since the fall of 2015. Right. And before that, I've taught at several colleges around the Bay Area, in Southern California as well, where I'm originally from. I even taught in Seoul, Korea for a couple years. Uh, I taught English and then I taught some SAT math prep courses as well. All right. I went to school at a community college as well. I first started off at Cal Poly Pomona, right out of high school, but I wasn't ready to do that. And after a year, I kind of dropped out. Just my head wasn't right. And really, I just didn't know where to get help, where to search out and reach for help. But after a few years, just kind of working and realizing that this was just not for me and I needed something different, I went back to my local community college, Cerritos Community College in Southern California, and I started there. And then I transferred to UCLA, where I got my bachelor's in science and applied math with a specialization in computing. So during college, I did a lot of computer programming in C++, mostly C++. In grad school, I went to grad school at Cal State Fullerton, and then there I did a lot of programming in MATLAB, where I got my MA in applied math there. All right, so this is just a little bit about myself. In my free time, I like to cook and bake, right? Much like most people, I guess, my age over the pandemic, I baked a lot of sourdough and cooked in general for my family, right? I'm into sports. I like to watch baseball a lot. It's my favorite sport, and I'm a big fan of the Dodgers. Right, so I like to watch a lot of their games or listen to them on the radio broadcast. But it's a pleasure to be. It'll be a pleasure interacting with you guys throughout the semester. So again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.